Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff.
What's a star but a wandering eye, millions of miles away, distancing itself so that no one can see it cry? Aspirations of a child, dreaming not of learning to run, but learning to fly, climbing upwards to the heavens, heading towards loved ones thought to be lost to the sky. The sky looks so black, it's almost inky. The stars are looking back at me. I swear they're blinking. Longing for what's above always makes me feel like I'm shrinking. I am insignificant. What difference can an ant make? On nights like these, I ride with the top down, but I can't stop my eyes from wandering up. I'm so thirsty. Yet it's been a while since water was in this cup. I yearn to be up above, floating into nothingness. No tethers holding me back from my destination. Would the pain inside subside? Or will I forever be haunted by this pain I hide? Onwards I ride. Where am I even going? How long has it been since I knew the answer to that question? I am alone. And that's why I roam. No end goal, just an empty road. I keep searching and searching, not entirely sure what for or why. It's a pain going back to walking after I learned to fly. Broken wings, more like they were taken away completely. Gave me a small taste and I became an addict immediately. Dreams of going further and literally reaching for stars sent me spiraling back down and into a prison made of inescapable bars. Problems caught me then, but I was too busy dreaming of Mars. I was called an airhead, even though I know my brain is filled with space. I was told that I needed to get back into place, or I would be left behind, last in the race. So I drove the other way. I have the desire to reach towards the ceiling until I get back to that feeling when life would slow down, when I would see the world at its crown. That experience, the rarest of rare. No moment in my life will ever compare. On that, I'm more than willing to bet, as my head pounds like a drum set and my lips burn on a cigarette. Here I wait, under the lunar sunset.